Hi, Martin here. Before you is a technical drawing puzzle that will test your 3D perspective eye. But first, we need to put all on the same page with regard to the norms used in technical drawings. We now look at a perspective view of an object, as mentioned on the screen before you, top, front, and side. In engineering drawings, the use of solid and dotted lines is most easily explained by an illustration. So take a careful look at this object and see how it is represented, especially in the views that follow. First view up is the front view. Take a moment to consider the dotted lines and how they impact or how they are represented in terms of the original drawing. Next up is the top view. Take a few more moments to consider how the top view relates to the perspective view. And lastly, we have the side view. Once again, take a few more moments to relate this view to the original perspective view. We'll allow some more time for you to become comfortable with the views in front of you. Please pause the video if you require more time to digest the views, and when you are ready to continue, we can proceed to the actual puzzle. The puzzle. Look at these two views of a different object. Front view and top view. They look pretty much the same, don't they? Your objective is to work out what a side view of this object would look like, as well as a perspective view of the same object. You'll probably want to pause the video to allow yourself time to do a little construction of the object. I'll let some music run for a few more seconds to give you some time, and if you require more time, then please pause the video as long as you like. Thank you. And here is the answer. The perspective view and the side view. Did you get it? Can you see how this picture or drawing of the perspective view and side view relates to the front view and the top view that were provided? Let me know in the comments below if you've enjoyed this puzzle. And please like and subscribe if you want to receive more notifications of such puzzles in the future. Thank you.